My school name is ZPP School Danori. My teacher name is Taide sir. I am learning in the 6th class. I live at Danori. My favorite dish is gulab jamun. My father name is Madhukar Purnaji Bagade. My grandmother name is Shakuntala. My grandfather name is Madhukar Purnaji. Samadhan Pakri. My father name is Samadhan. My mother name is Varsha. My school name my school name is ZPP School Danori. My sir my surname is Pakre. I live at Danori.
Vinay Vilas Bute. My school name is ZPP School Danori. My hobby is rider. My favorite game is kabaddi. My class teacher name is Ranjan Taide sir. My surname is Bute. My hobby is rider. My name is Abdul Mitkar. My hobby is cricket player. My favorite my school name is ZPP School Danori. My I live at Panori.
My father name is Mohan. My mother name is Maya. My brother name is Soham. My sister name is Vaishnavi. My grandfather name is Shankar. My grandmother name is.
My school name is ZPP School Danori. My teacher name is Gunde sir. I am learning in the 7th class. I live at Danori.
My name is Ravani Chandrasekhar Ade. My school name is जिल्हा परिषद वरिष्ठ प्राथमिक मराठी शाळा धनोरी. I live at Danori. My favorite teacher Taide sir. My favorite dish samosa. My favorite game Kho-Kho. My school name is Jikpit School Danori. My teacher name is Taide sir. I am learning in the 6th class. I live at Danori. My favorite dish aloo banda. My favorite game Kho-Kho. And my favorite flower is gulab. My school name is ZPP School Appal Primary Marathi Shala Danori. My teacher name is Taide sir. My class 6. My favorite dish is gulab jamun. My mother's name is Suvarna. My name is Aishwarya. My school name is ZPP Marathi School Danori. My class teacher name is Taide sir. My favorite dish is gulab jamun. My favorite game is kabaddi. My name is Rajeshi. My favorite dish is gulab jamun. My favorite game is kabaddi. My father's name is Kamal Kishore. My mother's name is Dipali. My sister name is Rajeshwari. My brother's name is Ansh. My class teacher name is Taide sir. My school name is ZPP School Danori. My Sriram. My school's name is ZPP School Danori. My teacher name is Taide sir. I am learning in the 6th class. My father name is Raju. My mother is Mukta. My favorite game is Kho-Kho. My favorite dish is samosa. My favorite flower's name is gulab.
My name is Shobha. My name is ZPP School Danori. My teacher is Taide sir. I am learning in the 6th class. I live at Danori.